We already did it.
I'll watch this 4 o'clock. Be safe. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Good way, Dave. I got you.
First check-in, 7 a.m. Just passed through Perth, Ontario. It's our first control of the day. That's about 86 kilometers. And yeah, so far, conditions are great. Just getting started. It's a long day ahead.
Okay. People ahead, way?
2, yeah.
Go.
2 up.
Right ahead.
It's 10:18 in the morning, about 6 hours in, and yeah, 180 kilometers. We're making good progress, good pace today. So yeah, halfway through the day, but all the climbs are in the second half. Yeah, I've been rolling with the fast group today, but the climbs are about to get spicy, which means no bueno for me. So I might be on my own soon, but them's the brakes. Let's catch up to these guys and rip it. Rolling into Sharbot Lake. It's 11:40 in the morning. Should be getting close to 220 kilometers for the day, which means maybe 120 to go. That's a good feeling. It's almost 3 o'clock. Just left Plevna, which was another control. Stopped for about an hour there. Refueled, got some good snacks, chilled out. Definitely needed. The next 50K, I've been warned, is the hardest of the day so far, with lots of climbing. So, gonna get to it. Push home. 15 kilometers to go. One big climb. How's about this for annoying? About 10 kilometers from home. Wahoo crashes. This time it was my own fault. I let the battery basically die. Although to be fair, the head unit didn't give me any kind of low battery warnings. I just looked down and it was off. But whatever. Recording on my phone. Yeah, it looks like it's recovering it. So I'll figure it out once I get into Bancroft. Oh, almost there. One more big climb to go. Alright, it is just past 5 a.m., which was the recommended start time for today, and yeah, day 2 is about to begin. It is it's wet out there. It's very wet. But that being said, it was supposed to rain a lot more, and I think you're just catching the tail end of it, so yeah, I'm excited for that because I don't like the rain. Anyways, time to get back out there. Another 350 kilometers today and even more climbing. Alright, it's 5:25 in the morning. We are rolling out on day 2. Definitely starting a bit late. I had some root malfunctions on my computer. But on the plus side, I did get a good 6 hours of sleep. Kind of feeling pretty good. Could be famous last words. Guess we'll find out in a couple hours once I've battled some hills. Alright. 6 a.m. Still raining. Although not quite as bad as it was before. Hopefully that's the end, but you never know. Past one person already. You can see another set of lights up in the distance here. But I'm just going on my own pace today. I'm not going to chase anything down. I'm going to need all my energy. Sun's starting to come up. It should be a nice little morale boost.
And your name is?
Connor Pollock.
Hi, Connor.
Leaving Madawaska Patrol. 8:15 in the morning. Check the radar. And I mean, there's more rain coming through, but I think we might just miss it. So fingers crossed for that. Let's try and warm up, dry off, tap out some more miles. Next stop is Algonquin Park Gate. Alright, 9:30 in the morning. We are coming up on Algonquin Park. Quick stop to fill up water, and then we're on to see what's happening inside Algonquin Park. I feel like I should be in for a treat. How's it going? Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Right off, that's nice. I'm appreciating that.
Hopefully it'll stay that way.
Alright. Stopped at Algonquin at the gates there. This is the bathroom. They had a fantastic hand dryer, which I used to dry out my socks and shoes. I think the 10 minutes spent in there doing that is going to pay dividends because I feel way better now. Anyways, got someone up ahead. Looks like Brenda. And for faces, right? I might just ride with her for a bit. Never forgotten. Oh, this is so good. So it's 5:15 in the evening, which means I've been riding for just about 12 hours now. So I think I started about 5:20, and it's been a tough day, really tough day. Lots of climbing. I'm about 230 kilometers in, which means, big math, got 130 kilometers to go. I'm hoping, really hoping I can get in for about 11 o'clock p.m. tonight. My initial estimate was 9 p.m. and yeah, that's gone out the window. So hopefully we can do 11. If it's earlier, pleasantly surprised. If it's later, it's okay too. We're gonna start at 7 a.m. tomorrow. It's a shorter day, but packed full of climbs. Beautiful. So nice. turns out the controls the subway,
Yeah.
which is fantastic.
It's like, bang.
I'm going to stuff my face first. Okay. 68 to go. 23 kilometers an hour gets us in 3 hours, 11 o'clock. We can do that, hopefully. Okay, it is 8 o'clock. Just leaving the last control of the day. Got some food. Oh, the monster climb out of this city right now, town, which I'm just going to try and get a head start on. There's a group of 3 or 4 guys behind that I think I can ride with, but I can't do climbs at their pace, so I'm going up the road. Hopefully they find me soon and we can roll home together. At least that's the plan. Loon Lake. This is beautiful. Streetlights, that's a treat. We are rolling through beautiful downtown Wilberforce. And we have 40 kilometers to go. It's 9:19. Still holding on to the dream that I can arrive for 11 p.m. Still waiting on these guys behind. I thought they would have caught up and passed me a long time ago, because I'm not feeling that well. Acid reflux. This is not something I ever have to deal with, so I was definitely not prepared. I'll get home though, and hopefully it won't be an issue tomorrow. If it is, I'll just need to address it. And there goes the support car. I mean, there's just over an hour left. There's no way that I'm giving up now. Just gotta rough it out. Get home to Bancroft. Sleep it off. See how I'm feeling tomorrow and then make that decision tomorrow. Alright. It's 11:08. I'm under 5 kilometers to go. The last push into town. This is probably the least amount of fun I've ever had on a brevet. The last hour has just been nerve-wracking. But I did it. Tomorrow's another day. We go from there. We move on. Hello?
Smile. Taking pictures.
Oh God.
Good job, Connor.
Thank
How
you.
you doing, buddy?
You know, living.
Living.
Your
Living
name
the
is?
dream.
Connor Pollock.
Connor.
That was a tough day.
Yeah. I hear the scenery was nice. But...
Yeah, until it got pitch black.
Oh yeah, until
Then I
that's
couldn't
right,
see
then
anything.
You can't.
Okay, it's 10 past 7, day 3. I do not want to go out today. And I shouldn't even be doing this because I'm late. This is just putting me further behind. Alright, I gotta give it a shot. Everything hurts. But we do what we can. It's cold out there today. Although it is going to warm up fairly quickly. And I think it's going to be a lovely day once we get out there, but oh, there is just no motivation right now. I'm running on fumes. Pray for me. Pray for me today, because I don't. Maybe I just need to change my mindset. But I do not feel good. Today's going to be a very hard day. But the bonus is that it's only 250 something kilometers. It doesn't feel like much of a bonus today though. It hurts. Anyways, enough dilly-dallying. I gotta get back out there. First couple of days were alright. Today just, I got nothing in the tank. See you in a bit. Minutes in. Can't say I'm feeling too fresh. Feeling a lot worse than yesterday. My right knee's giving me a little pain. The legs are all sore. If I can get through today, I can finish, I think. That's a big if. I'm already starting an hour down. And I didn't have a very pleasant experience riding through the night yesterday. But fingers crossed that my light works fine and that it gets me home safe and sound. These roots up here. This is actually my introduction into getting back into cycling and doing some cycling challenges. So a couple years back, this would have been in summer of 2019, my good friend Will, who lives up in this area, he decided to sign me up on a whim for a 100-kilometer bike ride, a little fondo, called the Hastings Highlands Hilly 100. And at the time, I was completely out of shape. And I was riding a 30-year-old road bike. I'd never done any kind of distance before. I've always rode my bike around town. Thought I was a fairly strong rider. But I think maybe 50 kilometers is the longest I'd ever gone before then. And so I guess he figured I was the guy who was most likely to want to do something like this, because I rode around the city a lot. So he took it upon himself to sign me up, let me know about a month out that I was doing this, and yeah, I had to get to work, training, getting gear. We finished that hilly 100 together. It wasn't the fastest 100 by any means, but it was tough. I didn't quit then. I'm back on these same roads now, doing 250 today. I've already put 700 in the legs over the last 2 days. I feel like hell, but I'm not about to quit on it now. So, let's just keep it going. How's that for a view? I mean, how beautiful is this though? Hey Tim. Oh, not too good, but hey, that's it. How you doing?
I'm alright, just putting on some sunscreen finally.
Oh, nice. Okay, okay.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be a long day, man.
Fort Simpson Road or Fort something road?
Yeah.
Shit, what are you doing? You're
Yeah.
trying to kill us.
It's painful, painful.
Yeah. I thought today was supposed to be a little bit easier, but now I understand they're just in the distance.
The distance is easier, the gradients.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna slowly make my way on up the road, but best of luck, man.
Yeah, yeah. Well, just take it easy.
Yeah. Oh, I'm taking it easy. Don't worry. I really had to convince myself even to leave today. I was ready to scratch, so
Yeah.
we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm not feeling good. I'm averaging 19.4 kilometers an hour, which I think is the slowest ride I've ever done in my life. But all things considered, I'm out here and I'm doing it, so that's all that matters. Wave. Yeah. Happy birthday. Thank you. I'm heading back out now. Connor, 12:35.
Ordering a burger, and all of a sudden I looked and went, "What are you doing?"
Cheers. All right, I'll see you guys on the road.
Take care out there.
More beautiful hills. They don't. That's the fun part. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, basically
Back in the old days. Woo! That, yeah, had a little dip. That was so good.
I know why you stopped because of the girl on the paddleboard.
It's like, hey, that's like take our shoes off and go in for a walk.
Yeah, 10 minutes in the water. Felt
Did you
great.
go in?
Yeah, we both went in.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, it's amazing. Definitely worth it.
Ready to roll.
All right.
Cheese curds are.
Acceptable?
Bon appetit. Merci.
All right. See you guys later. Doing? Surviving? All right.
But I don't know if you ever started using my name.
I don't know Greg Smith.
How did you get that thing?
Last climb of the day. 28 kilometers to go. Hello.
Who's your buddy there?
Tiago.
And your name is?
Connor Paul.
Good ride.
Yeah, great ride today actually. 7:20 in the morning. Day 4 of the Granite Anvil. Last push home. Got 250 kilometers to do today. Should be the easiest day of the 4. So feeling a little rough, a little haggard, but much better than yesterday where I didn't even want to get on the bike to start my day. Yeah, so I don't know who's ahead of me, who's behind. I opted to sleep in. I mean, we've got till 11 p.m. to roll home, so that's what, 14 hours, I think? Doing math is hard right now. Anyways, let's get to it. Guys, how's it going?
Good, yeah, how you doing?
Not bad, not bad. Final push back home. That was Gavin and Scott. They had to DNF yesterday, but one of the two of them got an Achilles injury. Yeah, I'm actually kind of surprised that at least whoever has the injured Achilles is still riding all the way back to Ottawa. Anyways, feel bad for those guys. Ridden with them before, the good dudes. It's a shame they're not going to be getting an official time on this one, but they put in a huge effort. I think they probably rode about 800K before they DNF, and now they're riding another 250 home. So they've done 1050 of the 1200. Hello everyone.
Want to get off the bike, get something?
Yeah, that sounds great. I'm gonna top up waters.
Water?
Thank you very much.
Does it drink out of it? Or? I did not put my lips to it.
Oh, I'll tell you, my Achilles is wrecked. I'm gonna adjust my cleats. I'll get my cleats back to the left foot. Oh, thank you very much. Oh my God, you guys, I got degrees.
Full service.
You guys are just unbelievable, huh? I quite genuinely, you guys have been just outstanding in all these controls, eh? Like, it's been really nice.
Mm-hmm. Above and beyond.
Oh yeah, far more than you can picture that one as well. Yeah.
That would be better.
I won't tell people it's grease. Just tell them that it's dried blood. You guys have been outstanding at these controls. Like when we've been pulling in, they're like, "Come on, you're almost there. You can do this." It's very nice.
How's it going, guys?
Yeah, we're okay.
I am done with the climbing.
Well, you're almost.
Well, almost, okay.
Well, you are. Time is not done with you.
Whew, yeah, exactly. past 5 o'clock. Just hit a little refuel sesh. Topped up my waters. I'm feeling great. You got 88K to push on. One last checkpoint before then. 40K to the checkpoint, 48K to Parliament. And then we are done. And I'm not gonna look at my bike for a while. Everything hurts. Everything hurts. But it doesn't hurt bad enough to stop. Just gonna push through the pain, get home, finish this ride. We got this. I forgot to mention a little feel-good moment when I was getting my ice cream cone. The girl in there asked if I was doing the race. It's not a race, but you know, whatever. Either way, I said I was, and that I was in dead last, which I'm not too worried about. But she said I looked the freshest out of everyone, which I'll take that as a win. Cool. Oh, that's gorgeous. You okay?
Yeah, it's kind of flat.
All right.
Tubeless, but it doesn't seem to be sealing.
Oh no.
Yeah, so.
Do you want a tube?
No, I got tubes. I'm going to give it one more shot just so it doesn't hold air.
All right, all right. So you're good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Ready.
Yeah, you're only 10K away from the next control.
Yeah.
Hopefully you can get there and figure it out.
I hope so.
All right, good luck. Hello. Whoa. How you guys doing? Connor. Just went through the last control of the day at Willie's Pizza in Carp, Ontario. We're 40 kilometers out of Ottawa now. Wow. What a way to end it. I mean, everywhere you go is just a cutout with like this amazing view. Wow. So impressive. What a perfect day. Perfect end to just 4 days of physical and mental exertion. And now it's just calm, chill ride back into town. Oh, I'm loving this. Feeling great.
that sign-in's upstairs.
Okay.
What time you got?
I have 8:39.
All right,
Well
perfect.
done, well
Remember
done.
that.
Thank you very much. That was a
Safe
treat.
to
That
go
last
upstairs.
20K through Ottawa was beautiful.